Today, we're going to talk about the 3 reasons why I quit day trading. Almost every year, newbie traders flock to the market like they think they're in the California gold rush. Like prospectors thinking, we're going to see gold in them there hills. New traders think money is just laying around waiting to be picked up. And the stock market opportunity is very real, but you have to know how to mine it, or all the other prospectors will send you in the wrong direction and you'll end up empty-handed. What's that look like? Day trading. See, there's a saying, day trading is the hardest easy money you'll ever make. And Wall Street wants you going after it because they're hoping you'll get discouraged and go home, which is why so many traders do just that. When it comes to trading, there are 2 main methods. There's short-term trading like position trading and swing trading. And then there's hyper short-term trading like day trading or scalping like they do with futures or something. There is real opportunity in all these types of trading, but the shorter the time frame, the harder it is to become profitable. Think of it like this. If you went to a ski resort and were new to skiing, you wouldn't start on the hardest, fastest slopes. That would just get you discouraged and you'd probably give up. But Dave, I want my life to look like those day traders I see online. Maybe it will someday, but you have to walk before you run. So let's do a little self-assessment. If you're making less than $24,000 a year from your trading, the number one thing I'd recommend you do to start making more money is look for quality over quantity. See, in day trading, you're going to be doing a lot of trades. And because of the super short-term focus, the trades you'll be taking will be missing some key components of high-quality trades. It's a whole lot easier to make money in the stock market if you focus on trading better as opposed to trading more. One of the best ways to do this is to slow down. If you're like me, experiencing a win in the market is exhilarating and it makes you want to increase the number of trades you're doing, but that's a trap for amateurs. If you want to make more, look for better trades, increasing your consistency, and then slowly begin to increase the size of the trades you're doing so you're trading better trades with more money. Many traders fall into the trap of thinking they have to trade more to make more. But I'm here to tell you that there is another way to trade that can be more profitable and less risky than day trading. It requires a little patience, a little diligence, a little self-reflection, but it can absolutely change your life. My family calls it target trading, and it's not as complicated as day trading. Instead of focusing on just hyper short-term trades, you'll take a step back and get a feel for the momentum of the stock market so that you can find better quality trades. Becoming an effective trader is possible if you learn and stick to an effective trading system that helps you find higher quality trades. Here are the top 3 reasons I quit day trading. So reason number 1 is I didn't want to compete with Wall Street. See, when you're day trading, you're going toe-to-toe with the pros on the New York Stock Exchange floor. These guys eat, sleep, and breathe trading, and you're in competition with them. It's part of what makes it so stressful. It almost feels like this. You get into a trade just knowing it's going to go up, and it's like magic. They can tell you bought the stock, and then it goes down against you. If you have felt that, like somehow the market knows you got in, it's because you're in competition with the pros, and they can see your trades. So that was the first reason. Reason number 2, I just didn't want to trade one grind for another. See, day trading is a daily grind. We tend to hope that we can be done with the grind by 11 a.m. so we can be free for the rest of the day. But that's just us trying to make the market do what we want instead of trading in flow with the market. It's complicated, it's difficult, and it's what makes it feel like a grind. I started trading to escape the grind, not to get into a different one. And the third reason why I gave up day trading is I didn't want to crash and burn. I didn't want to learn how to ski on the hardest, fastest slopes. Nowadays, I am skilled enough to day trade, but it's still a grind, so I only do it every so often. I just really prefer a trading life that allows me to live my life. So if you don't want to live the day trading lifestyle of stressful, high-risk, time-consuming trades, you might want to check out our masterclass, Becoming a Trader, the 4 essential skills you need to become a great stock trader. I'll show you the biggest mistakes traders make, We'll be busting myths about trading. Some of these will surprise you. And we'll be going over the 4 essential skills you need to achieve that relaxed, successful trading lifestyle. Many traders have 1 or 2 of these skills, but you really need all 4 before your trading becomes profitable. Want to learn what those 4 essential trading skills are? Register for my free masterclass now at TRADEway.com/masterclass. You can also find the links to register below.